Have we downloaded the driver? That's it there. It's IRSTROTD what? V. Are we together? Okay, let's go to the PowerShell now so that we can use the pnputil. So we're going to type our PowerShell. Then we'll run as administrator. Okay. So I'm just going to put it like this so that I can see the name of the file. So what we're going to type is simple. pnputil space -a space hyphen. Mine is D and backward slash, and it's IRSTROTDV dot INF, then bracket close. So I'm going to press enter now. Okay. The system cannot find the specific file. Let's see. Now that's the information there. So it doesn't make sense. Should be able to find the file. Okay, do you know what? Let's use command prompt. Let's use the command prompt. CMD, run as administrator, because PowerShell might be tricky sometimes, huh? So let's type pnputil -a -d / so it's IRSTROTDV.INF. Then we'll close it. Still giving us the same error, right? INF. Let me check my drive. Let me check the location of the driver. Okay, let me copy this. I just want to try something. It's going to work this way. Okay. I think mine has worked. You can see there. Actually, in order for the driver to be added, it needs to be among the rest of the files here. Are we together? So what I would do, I'll zip this folder right now and I'll upload it to Network Plus 2. Are we together? So that the rest of you can download it. Are we following? So let me go to my Explorer now. Let me upload the file itself so that you guys can do it. Then we'll try it again, okay? So that's what I'm going to do now. So just go back so that I can upload the entire file. I think just adding the specific folder itself, because it needed to read the rest information. Are you getting me? So that's why we're having those issues. So let me upload it so that you guys can be able to download it on your computer system. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, assuming I've downloaded it, this is my drive D. Okay, I don't know what drive you're using. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click. I'm going to say extract what? All. I'm going to click on browse. I'm going to go to, I think we should keep it simple. Let's leave it on the D drive. So I'm going to come here, scroll down. I'm going to select D drive and I'm going to say what? Okay. Are we together? Then I'll say extract. Okay, it's done. That's the file there. Can you see the file? Can you see the file? Okay, now, typing the URL manually might really take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to open the folder. I'm going to open the other subfolder. I'm going to open drivers. Then I'm going to open 64 bits. That is my computer I'm using. Those of you using at 32 bits, then you open x32. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open x64. Then I'm going to double click on this folder. You see the file, which is the driver, the second one, the one that has setup information. I'm going to double click on it. It's going to open. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the drop down list here. Are you getting me? I'm going to type /. Then it's going to give me the drop down list again. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll close again. When I come back, it's going to select all the URL for me. Are you getting me? It's going to select the entire URL, which includes the file and the extension. So I'm going to right click on top of it, and I'm going to say copy, or you can use your combination key. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to start menu. I think this time we can use PowerShell. It's fine now. Right click on administrator. So now I'm going to type pnputil. Are we together? Space -a space _. Now I will right click and say paste. If you're using what? Command prompt. But of course, if you're using PowerShell, just right click, you notice it pastes automatically. Is that not correct? Then I'll close it. When I press enter, is it added? Is it added? Is it added? Okay, the next step now is to check the driver that has just been installed. If you notice, it says publish name OEM2. Is that not correct? That's the publisher name. So I'll type pnputil space -e and press enter. Now, did you see the information we just installed now? The driver. Huh? Guys, did you see the information? It tells us exactly what we added. It tells us the provider. It says it's Intel. Is that not correct? It says what type of class is a system device. It tells us the version name. It says it's a Microsoft hardware compatibility publisher. Then you go further. It tells you the OEM 1 and it tells you the OEM 0. So this is for printers. This is for network device, and this is for what? System what? Device. Are we together? Okay, guys, that's what we just did now for device drivers. The other one for managing devices, I think we've done that in A+, where you have to roll back the driver off your keyboard. Is that not correct? You install a newer version, then I ask you to roll it back. But that will be used for troubleshooting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight all the way to Internet Explorer security settings. That is class lab 6. So we're going to be configuring Internet Explorer. Okay, so can you open your Internet Explorer now?